Okay, let's talk about how to sign "My turtle passed away last month." In American Sign Language, it would be "Past month, my turtle die." All right, so in this situation in English, when we say passed away, it's very common to have some affection or connection or attachment to the person or pet or animal that passed away. So that's the situation we're going here. So we're kind of sad. We're distressed. We're unhappy about it. So let's jump in. Past. Here is a sign for past. Okay, so take your hand like this. Now we're going to flip it around, palm facing towards you, and we're just going to go like this. Kind of like you're waving something past. You're pushing it past, right? Past. From the side. From the other side. From the front again. Okay, so this sign can also work for the concepts of previously, ago, before now, and of course, past. All right, next sign is month. Here's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to use both hands. The hand shape is the same, even though the placement is different. We're going to use the numbers 1, we could say, or the index finger. Just your pointer finger. Okay, so I'm right-handed. With my non-dominant hand, I'm going to stick my first one right there, palms facing to the side, tip of the index finger pointing straight up. Now I'm going to take my dominant hand, my right hand, I'm going to turn it in, and I'm going to use the back of the finger here and slide it down the side of the other finger. So we have month. From the side. From the other side. From the front again, month. Okay, index fingers, one here, other one here, slide it down. Month. All right, let's go to my. All right, the hand shape's like this. Fingers together, thumb alongside. Now we're going to turn it in so the palm's facing towards us. And we're just going to go like this. My. My. All right, your, my. My. Just press once against your chest. You don't have to bang your chest, beat your chest. Just nice and soft. That's fine. My. Okay, let's go to turtle. Here's the sign for turtle. My goodness, it even looks like a turtle. Okay, so with your dominant hand, give the thumbs up like that, okay? Now tip it forward and take your non-dominant hand, for me, my left hand, fingers together, kind of cup it like that. Put it over top, like the shell. All right, now wiggle the head, the thumb down there, like the turtle's head, and you have turtle. Turtle. From the side, turtle. From the other side. All right, how many times should you wiggle the head? Whatever seems necessary, just a few times. All right, turtle. Okay, here is the sign for die. All right, it's also the sign for dead, right? The hand shapes are the same, like this, fingers together, thumbs alongside. I'm right-handed. With my non-dominant hand, I'm going to put it here, palm facing up. Now I'm going to take my dominant hand, put it here, and we're just going to roll over. So we have die. Die. From the side, die. From the other side. From the front again. Okay, so once again, I already mentioned this can also work for dead. It can work for pass away. I suppose kick the bucket, you're no longer living, die. All right, woo. Now is where the fun begins, right? We learned individual signs, but now we get to put them together like a puzzle, right? The whole sentence structure here is useful, right? Because maybe your dog died, your aunt died. I mean, I'm not excited about death, but I think you see the point here. We can use the same sentence and switch out the vocabulary to fit our situation. Okay, so let's sign it. Let's go step by step. Sign with me. Here we go. Past, month, my, turtle, die. All right, so remember the situation. I know we've got to get get to the signs, but also the situation. You're going to have like a sad face. It's not going to be like this. Right? It's going to be more like this. All right, so step by step, once again, here we go. Sign with me. Past month, my turtle die. A little bit quicker. Past month, my turtle die. All right, so I'm going to do it a few times, starting from the rest position. I'll go up and I'll sign the sentence, go back down. So sign with me. Lots of practice. Yes, it's good. Here we go. Okay, so we explored my turtle passed away last month, which in American Sign Language is past month my turtle die. All right, sounds good. We did it all. This is my third course from this instructor, and once again, I feel like I've learned a huge amount in a short time. The guy seemed so friendly. Another reviewer said it was basically like getting ASL lessons from Mr. Rogers, and I could not agree more. Matt left this review for our course Action Verb Sentences, right? Very targeted course. We're going to focus on action verbs. This is one of over 35 courses included in our ASL bundle. Lots of content. We focus on beginning signers, improving signers. Everything we design is from scratch. So if you just randomly pick one course, everything you need for that course to kick butt in that course is in there. And we test you. Two-part testing, signing, understanding, make sure it's sticking in your brain, and that you can do it when you get outside the classroom environment, right? You get outside and you want to sign and understand. Go to avalingo.com, explore our stuff, go nuts, take your time. I urge you, take your time. There's so much ASL content out there online, instructors, courses, platforms, you name it. I urge you to make sure the teaching style, if it's ours, if it's someone else's, that it fits your learning style, all right? If there's not a good teaching style, it doesn't fit well with the learning style of the teacher, it makes it that much more difficult to make progress, real effective progress. Now imagine, I'm sure you've had a teacher in school, you've had a boss, someone or whatever, you just enjoyed learning from them. So whatever they taught you, it sticks in your brain like crazy because you look forward to it, you like the relationship, you enjoy the content, and when you're out on your own, whatever they taught you is much more likely to be ready whenever you need it because you enjoy the experience. All right, so whether you purchase our courses, you purchase someone else's courses, I urge you, take your time, make sure you can preview their content, so important. Make sure that their teaching style fits your learning style, really important. Take your time, no rush. Matt, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.